Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the next concept of your fourth module, that is big data analytics tools and technology. Now you have already studied these tools in your BDA subject, that is big data analytics subject. Now just we are going to see the overview of this technology. Now the most commonly and most popular big data analytic tool is Hadoop. Now Hadoop is the main core of many of today's big data implementation. Now this big data analytics consists of different software pieces that can together collect, store, manipulate and analyze all different types of data. Now this data can be of either structured type or unstructured type. Now this Hadoop can process the structured data as well as unstructured data. Now basically this video is for discussing the 3 V's category of big data, and you have already studied about Hadoop. I am not going to discuss Hadoop here. We are going to directly move to the 3 V's of a big data, that is velocity, variety and volume. We are going to discuss these 3 V's one by. The first V is velocity. Velocity refers how quickly data is being collected and analyzed. Now we can see there are thousands of sensors which are present in IoT network, and each data is capable of producing some data. Hence a large amount of data is going to be generated in very short amount of time. Hence the data is going to be generated very quickly, and for such type of data we can use HDFS, that is Hadoop distributed file system, which is basically designed to process a large amount of data very quickly. Now the next V is variety. Variety refers to the different types of data, and data is categorized as structured, semi-structured or unstructured. Now as we discussed, the data which is arranged in rows and columns is going to be said as structured data. Now the data which is in terms of files, for example documents, PDFs, all these are semi-structured data, and the data which is in there of in image form, video form, all are called as unstructured data. Now here a variety of data is going to be generated by different number of sensors. Each sensor is going to generate a different type of data. Hence we have variety of data in IoT networks. Hence it is challenging task to handle these variety of data. Hence Hadoop is able to collect and store all 3 types of data. Hence for most of the IoT applications Hadoop big data analytic tool is used. Next V is volume. Volume refers to the scale of the data. Now typically we can see that the data which is generated in IoT networks is measured in from gigabytes to the petabytes. Even exabytes of the data is generated in one day. Hence very large amount of data is going to be generated in IoT. Hence we should have clusters of servers which consist of dozens, hundreds, even thousands of nodes for some large deployments to process that particular data from those nodes. Now the characteristics of big data can be defined by the sources of the type of data. Now the first characteristic is machine data, which is generated by IoT devices and is typically unstructured data. Now the second type is transactional data, which is from sources that produce data from transaction. And the third category is social data sources, which are typically high volume and structured data. And the fourth is enterprise data, which is the data that is in lower in volume and very structured. Hence the big data consists of data from all these separate sources. And we have also seen what is data in rest and data in. All these type of data are present in big data analytics. Hence it is important to choose a proper tool for processing a particular application's data. This is about 3 V's of big data.